The Dino-Lite AM4113ZT Digital Microscope delivers true optical magnification from roughly 20 times to 200 times, making it well suited for close inspection of electronics, coins, and biological samples. Its 1.3 megapixel sensor captures images at a resolution of 1280 by 1024, which is sharp enough for documenting fine surface details and subtle texture differences. Connected by a single universal serial bus cable, it draws power and streams live video at up to 30 frames per second, so setup is quick and the live view feels responsive rather than choppy. The built-in adjustable polarization is particularly useful for reducing glare on shiny metals, plastics, and circuit boards, revealing details that are often washed out under normal lighting. Features such as the touch-sensitive capture control and on-screen measurement tools make it practical for repetitive inspection work and basic dimensional checks. Included software for both Windows and Mac systems provides convenient tools for capturing, annotating, and organizing images, which helps this microscope fit smoothly into a professional or hobby workflow.